If you've been interested in AI image and video and even audio generation, Higgsfield has an offer for you. Every new user will get 24 hours of unlimited access to every top model on their site. But act fast because this offer ends at 9 AM Thursday the 23rd US Eastern Standard Time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new account and get access to that unlimited plan. And then I'll give you some examples of the video tools, the image tools, and even the audio tools. So let's get into it. Check out the link in the description and head over to this page, which is the Higgsfield AI platform. You'll probably see a pop-up saying about this unlimited plan offer, but let's just assume you don't see this. Otherwise, you can sign up through this way and follow the prompts, but let's just assume that you didn't see this prompt and we're just going to go in blind and create an account. So you should see something like this. Head up to the top right hand corner and click on sign up. And remember, this only works for new user accounts. So if you already have an account, this isn't going to apply for you. So there are multiple ways of signing up for an account. You can use things like Google or Apple or Microsoft, or you can even use your own email. In this case, I'm going to use my Google account. And once you've signed in, you should see some brief introduction points that you need to cover. So let's run through these. We're just going to select for personal use. And we can just say we're going to be exploring and we are a beginner. It's asking us what are some of the flagship options we want to try. Let's just say that we want to use the Cinema Studio and continue. And then which Higgsfield features would you like to try the most? We can say image and maybe video. How did you hear about this? Well, if you're watching this video, it's probably going to be YouTube. And what AI frustrations do you have? You might say that you're new to this. And something that's really good with Higgsfield that they just released recently, and I'll probably do a video about this in the future, is the Higgsfield Academy. So this is an academy where you can go in and it has structured courses with some practice examples, and it really helps you learn AI filmmaking basically. It's really worth checking out if you're new to this stuff. So we can click on continue. You will probably see some offers pop up here and there. We're not interested in those today. We're just trying to go straight for that free plan. So we can click on close for this and close this one out. And if everything's good, you should now be logged in. If you click on the top right hand corner, you can see we have an account set up and it's only got 10 credits. So you get just 10 credits to start, but nothing else. But we're really after that free stuff. So you want to go to manage account. Once you're in the manage account, go over to subscriptions, click on that. And so here you should see free plan and you can unlock all features by clicking on this. So we want to click upgrade and we want to get the free trial for $0. So you need to click on that. It's going to ask you to enter some credit card details, so you can enter those in. It's not going to charge you until after the free period. So you can just put in your credit card details now and then cancel right away and you won't be charged, but you'll still get that 24 hours. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'm just going to skip through this part so you don't see my details. After entering my credit card details, you can now see that it's been activated. It hasn't charged me. It's only going to charge after the 24 hours. So we'll cancel at the end of this video. I'll show you how to cancel as well. But it is now saying we have 1 day of unlimited generations on all top models and your trial ends in basically 24 hours from now. If you don't cancel, it will then auto renew and it will be at the Plus monthly with 7-day unlimited on all models. So we can just click on continue. We can also see that in our free unlimited trial is activated as well. So you can click right here to cancel the auto renew, but we'll do that later in the video. All right, let's go into some actual AI generation. So let's start with the video tools. Back on the main Higgsfield website, you will see a bunch of stuff, and I recommend going around exploring. There's heaps of tools here. So when you go up to the top menu here, you'll see all of that. You have your image tools, you have your video tools, you have your audio tools. And then there's even more stuff, such as Cinema Studio and the Academy, which I mentioned before. And there are other stuff like supercomputer and plugins and so much under here. So you really need to check it out. Let's do a video first. So we're going to go to the video and we're going to click on the Seedance 2.0. If you get any pop-ups and it's not related to what you're trying to do, you can just close them out. Something that's worth mentioning is that there are certain tools that you can use under this unlimited plan, the free trial, but also there are some restrictions to them as well. So on their Twitter post, you can see that The MCP, the supercomputer, the plugins, the canvas, these aren't available under the free unlimited plan. But the stuff that is available under that free unlimited plan, you have your video, so you have Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0 is a really popular one as well. Your image generation models, so Nano Banana, GPT Image, and a whole bunch of other ones you can play around with. And then of course you have your audio tools as well. So all this here is included in that unlimited plan, but there are some restrictions too. As you can see under this chart, you can see the free trial. So things like Seedance 2.0, you're limited to 720p resolution and up to 8 seconds maximum. If you go over that, it'll start asking for credits. So I'll show you what I mean in a moment. And then just other things like GPT Image, you're limited to like a high and 2K. Same with Kling 3.0, 8 seconds, but you get 1080p generation with this one. So just be aware of what those restrictions are through this tape. What I'm going to do is upload a video that I recorded, and then we're going to use AI to modify it and actually add some effects. This is just one way you can use AI video generation. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over and click on here, and we go to upload media. I can then find my video and upload. You might need to accept some conditions if you're uploading videos or images. So just tick on those and click I agree, and then give it a moment to upload. Now that our asset is uploaded, we can select it. So we can click on it, and you'll see it adds into the little panel on the side, and we can click to close. Let me show you quickly what the original footage is, and then I'll show you the prompt that we're going to use to change it. What we're going to do is add a prompt that tells it to add some fire effects to this video. So I've already done that prompt, and I'm just going to drop it in like this. Now here's the important part with your free plan. As you can see, it's asking us to use some credits, and that's going to cost you something. So we don't want to use credits. We need to set the correct settings, as you saw in that Twitter post, so that we can actually use the free option. The first thing is we need to drop the resolution down to 720, and as soon as you do that, you can now see that the unlimited mode can be used. So as long as you see that little toggle, you can click on that, and also make sure that the seconds, the duration is no more than 8, and just to make sure it keeps that same aspect ratio, we're going to select 9:16, and then we will generate. You should see it sort of move into a processing stage and then a generating stage. So let's skip forward and then come back when this is completed. Our generation is complete. Check this out. Very cool, right? You can take small clips like that, add some effects, and then add it to your video creations. Me personally, I'm not really good at After Effects or some sort of complex graphics sort of stuff when I'm doing my video editing. I just like the basic stuff. So being able to have this level of detail and complexity is really helpful to my video creation. Of course, there's way more you can do with these AI video generation tools. It's not all just about editing video that you've already shot. You can go into complete cinematic AI video generation if that's what your interest is in. Now let's move into image generation, because this is one of the things that I use Higgsfield for the most, is their image generation tools. If you go to the top again to the menu, you'll see your images, and you can just click on that. The way AI image generation works is down the bottom you have where you put in your prompt. You also have some options for your aspect ratio. You also have your resolution, and also you can create in batches as well. So instead of just creating one image at a time, sometimes you can create up to 4 images at a time, which can really speed up your generations. And then you should see an unlimited toggle depending on which tool you're using. So let's try a few of the free ones. And like I said, what I mainly use Higgsfield for is its image generation, because one of the cool things about it is, for example, I really like to use Nano Banana. And one thing when I'm using that through Gemini is it adds that little watermark in the corner. And I typically use these images for my image to 3D modeling process. And sometimes those watermarks can mess with the 3D model. By using Higgsfield, it doesn't have those watermarks in your images. So that's a really good reason why I use it. So what we're going to do is use the same prompt but on 3 different models, because you can get wildly different results on those different models while still using just the same prompt. And that's why over time you'll start to learn what models you like the most. So here's just a little example of that. So I have a prompt that I'm going to drop in, which is just to create like a cute sushi character that I'm going to then transfer into a 3D model. So the first one I'm going to use is Nano Banana Pro. We're going to set the aspect ratio to 1:1, so it's a nice square box. And again, making sure your resolution isn't too high, it'll tell you which ones you can use. Let's go 2K, so we're getting the maximum for our unlimited. We'll keep it to 1 because we want to do 1 for each of these models. So we can click on the unlimited, and then you should see that it's unlimited. It's not going to use any credits. You can click on it, and your first generation will be underway. I want to do this for 2 more models. So the other one I want to use is, let's try Nano Banana 2. And again, change our aspect ratio. We're going to make sure we can maximize that resolution as well. Setting it to 1, clicking on the unlimited, and then sending that. But you can see that because we are on that free plan, we can only do 1 at a time. So, well, there's our first character actually already done. So we can send the second one now, and that's going to process. And then the final one we're going to use is GPT Image 2. We can set it to high, 2K, making sure it's unlimited. Our aspect ratio 1:1. We're going to do a single image, clicking on unlimited, and we just need to wait for that second image to complete. It's done now, nice and quickly, and then we can send this final one. Final generation is complete, and as you can see, totally different results from that one prompt depending on which model you pick. So I prefer to use either the GPT Image 2 or the Nano Banana Pro. I find they tend to give me the best results for what I'm trying to do, but play around with them, and of course there are many models you can use. Alright, now let's go on to the final example, which is the audio AI generation. With audio, you want to go up to the top and click on audio. And here with Higgsfield and their audio AI tools, you can do many things. You can add voices for like voiceover work. You can change voices from a video that already exists, and you can even change languages on a video. So there's heaps you can do here, but let's just do some basic stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload a video that I recorded before, and then we're going to change the voice on that video. Let me show you. It works very similar to the image generation where you have your toolbar down the bottom and you add your prompt and you have your options down here. On the left hand side you'll have voiceover, change voice, and translate. So if you just want to create a voiceover from a script, you can drop in your script, select your voice, and then you can generate it. What we want to do is change the voice though, so we're going to click on that toggle, and now we need to upload our reference video. So we can click on that, grab our reference video, and upload. So we'll give that a moment to upload, and then that should be one of the assets we can use. While that is uploading, let me show you the original video first. Hey everyone, Higgsfield is offering an unlimited free plan for all their top models, so go check it out. So that's my uploaded video. Now let's jump back into Higgsfield. The upload's complete, you can see it down the bottom, and when we click on this one, it will give you a whole bunch of custom voices. I'm not going to show you how to create a custom voice, but that's where you can change something, even replicate your own voice. But there are tons of default ones here. So let's just select Gideon.
I'm Gideon. I speak from the shadows. Textured.
And you can also preview a lot of these as well.
I'm Hannah. I bring a crisp, energetic expertise.
So what we're going to select, let's do
Sterling.
So we select Sterling, and then we can click on Generate. It's worth noting quickly that I did see that used 1 credit when we generated, and I'm just looking at the audio. So for your free audio options, it's these ones here. So just be aware of that. I don't think what I did was part of the unlimited free plan, but at least it only cost me 1 credit, and I think you get 10 under your free plan. So I was able to just demonstrate this for you anyway. The generation is complete, so let's take a quick watch of it.
Hey everyone, Higgsfield is offering an unlimited free plan for all their top models, so go check it out.
So as you can see, the lip syncing and the voice change is really hard to distinguish from it not being the actual voice of the video. So it does a really good job of voice changing. And like I said before, you can change that to a different language as well. It will actually translate it and put it in a different language. So if you're uploading videos to other countries, you need to do that. It's a fantastic tool to use. Let's cancel our account so it doesn't get charged after the 24 hours. And you can do that by going up here, going to Manage Account. You then go over to Subscription and click on that. And then you click on Cancel Auto Renew. It will ask you, are you sure you want to do this? So just go through the prompts, say yes, cancel renewal. And then you should see that auto renewal is canceled, you won't be charged. But we still have access to that 24-hour period, so you can see that we still have our 1-day unlimited free trial, and this will finish after the 24 hours. So we can still use it as much as we want. But this will just ensure that we do not get charged afterwards if you don't want it to. If you do want to continue, if you like the tools and you want to continue, then simply, let it go through and charge your account, and you'll have full access to everything, as beyond even the free tools as well. So that's been a quick introduction to Higgsfield free plan, currently unlimited for new users. Remember, it does expire on 9 AM Thursday the 23rd, so make sure you use this before then, otherwise this plan's going to be gone. Check out the links in the description so that you can be taken there and sign up. Jump into those tools, play around with them. Remember, completely unlimited free charge. Just make sure to cancel your credit card if you don't want it to continue the plan after the 24 hours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did find value in it, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for watching.